Hello everyone, welcome to this Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn about logging in Python, which is a very useful tool for debugging and maintaining your applications. Instead of using print statements, logging allows us to record events with different severity levels, making our debugging process much more manageable. Section 2. Importing the library. First, let's import the logging module. It's built-in module in Python, so there's no need to install anything extra. Section 2, importing. Import logging. Okay. By default, logging logs message at the warning level and above. Let's see how to set this up. Section 3. Configuring basicConfig. To customize the logging behavior, we use basicConfig. We can set the level, format, and even the output file. Section 3. Configuring basicConfig. Logging.basicConfig. Level and format. Okay. In this example, I'll set the log level to debug, which will display all message from this level and above. The message format includes the time, level, and the main log message. Section 4. Different log levels. Logging provides several severity levels: debug, info, warning, errors, and critical. Let's see example of each. Section 4. Different log levels. Debug, info, then warning, then error, then critical. Let's run it. Excuse me. Okay. Run it and print it. Debug, info, warning, error, and critical. In larger file or complex applications, using this level helps you quickly find issue and receive the necessary notifications. Section 5. Logging to a file. You can also log messages to a file. Just specify the file path in the basicConfig. Okay. I comment it. Excuse me. Comment. Then here. Section 5. Logging.basicConfig. File name, then level, then format. Okay. Excuse me. Here and copy paste. Then comment. Okay. Now, all messages will be saved in the app.log file. Run it. And here, app.log. Okay. Section 6. practical example. Let's have a practical example that show how to manage potential errors using logging. Section 6, practical example. Excuse me. Error. Result, then logging.info. In this example, if the user inputs 0, the division by 0 error is logged, but the program continues to run. Okay. Section 7, conclusion and key. In this tutorial, we learn how to use logging in Python. The most important takeaway is to use logging for debugging and maintaining applications instead of print statements. Also, you can adjust the different levels to see various messages and save logs to a file. Closing and encouragement. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.